There are several benefits of going green in the supply chain, ranging from reducing utility bills and increasing sustainability, to reducing your carbon footprint and giving your employees a business that would be eco-friendly, which they will be proud of. For many business owners, however, green thinking is more than a little overwhelming. Sustainability is becoming less of a good to have and more of a must to have for businesses and their supply chains. There are ways to reduce your carbon footprint in the supply chain that pleases your customers and has a positive impact on the environment as well.
Welcome to Force ADU, a place where all business and supply chain enthusiasts come for a weekly dose of knowledge. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, you are missing out on value-adding content.
Ethical sourcing. It involves focusing on human, animal, and environmental well-being. Sustainability is based on social and economic health, as well as environmentalism. For an item to be genuinely sustainable, suppliers must acquire it concerning human harvesters and natural resources. Humane sourcing strategies can vary from raising farmers' wages, to providing paid maternity leave, to harvesting selected trees.
Invest in energy-efficient equipment. If you own a warehouse, you may be operating with electrical or petrol equipment. Since these devices need to be replaced, look for energy-saving options. Look at things like liters per hour, miles per gallon, and how much something you use. As you upgrade, make sure the new product is still running as you need it and is in line with standard maintenance to ensure perfect performance. Compliance with storage prolongs the life of many products and reduces waste that requires constant renewal.
Think about your packaging. Using smaller packages reduces waste. Effective packaging is also lightweight and less expensive to ship. Consider switching from traditional packaging materials to readily biodegradable products. While packaging with synthetic plastics can take centuries to collapse in landfills, biodegradable materials decay within just a few years. Many biodegradable materials can also be composted. Overall, making your packaging more efficient and switching to non-perishable packaging materials significantly reduces waste and reduces your carbon footprint.
Efficient transportation. Long-distance shipping contributes to the release of greenhouse gases by burning fossil fuels. Green supply chain management requires the use of alternative fuels and the establishment of local relationships with suppliers. To implement this strategy, some companies will need to downsize and purchase items from a few sources. They should consider how they can tailor their products and packaging to accommodate new suppliers. Improvising transportation arrangements can create many difficulties. Most modern transportation methods release emissions to some extent, and green alternatives aren't always widespread or accessible.
Green materials. Sustainable materials that reduce resource depletion, lower acquisition costs, and reduce carbon emissions. Examples of construction and textile industries include bamboo, tencel, linen, and cork. Each material is renewable or requires little energy to harvest and build. The energy associated with an asset is directly related to how much is needed to make it, from purchase to refinement. Green manufacturing reduces the combined energy, thereby reducing the environmental impact. Detoxification is part of the GSCM that reduces the presence of toxic substances.
Reverse logistics. It addresses how companies handle products once they have achieved their goal. Green supply chain management promotes reuse and recycling, although products may be subjected to other disposal measures if they are not reused. Companies refer to this strategy as a closed-loop system that incorporates materials that go out and return for repurposing. Customers return defective or recycled products to their manufacturer, which becomes either waste products or new products.
By adopting these 6 ways, firms improve their performance by improving product quality and improving service delivery. It has made many corporates active contributors to ecological preservation and conservation, such as reducing carbon emissions and eliminating waste from the supply chain. They have increased their bottom lines by dialing back on wasteful practices and investing those costs in high-quality product management. Many businesses are looking for ways to reduce their impact on the environment, an approach that will only continue to grow as it becomes more cost-effective.
Thank you for watching the video. To know more about the positive and negative impacts of green supply chain management, stay tuned to our channel Force ADU, and watch out for our next video.